Hi Robert, this is Heidi over at Taylor & Son Chevrolet in Sandpoint. This is the 2015 Toyota Corolla that you had some interest in. I'm going to go around the exterior and the interior of the car and just kind of show you overall condition. Little backstory on this car: I took it in on trade. The gentleman traded it for a Traverse, which is kind of a larger SUV, had another child, and so just wanted to have a little bit more room. So starting with the front of the car, there are no dents or dings in this vehicle. I kind of walked around it. There are a few little minor scratches. You can kind of see that one there. Really got to be looking for these to notice. That might be bugs. Yep, that's bugs. Driver's side, again, very straight. Nothing too noticeable. Red being a little bit darker color. You may be able to see these little scuffs here, just on that lower portion of the door. Driver's side passenger. A few little tiny rock chips down there. Do see a little bit of a scratch there, and it is bubbled a little bit, but it is not flaking at all. Little scratches right there on the rear bumper as well. Little scratches there, and I don't know if you can see those, Robert. It is kind of tough to see in the video, the glare. Back bumper in good shape, just those few little scratches over there on that one side. One little nick there. A lot of those you can use some touch-up paint, make them look a lot better, less noticeable, and again, you do really have to be looking for these for them to be obvious. Passenger side here, the rear fender looks good. That's just wax. Yeah. Both doors in good condition. And the passenger front fender, also in good shape. One scuff there, it looks like that one was touched up. So again, it's something you really got to be looking for to see. Windshield, just looking for any chips or cracks. Definitely no cracks. Looks to be chip free as well, which is nice. All four tires look to be in excellent condition. I don't know if you can see the tread there. I know it's hard to see, but they definitely well over 50% on those tires. All four. There we go. Oh, take a look on the inside here. Is very clean interior. It's got some nice tan seats, and then the black. It's a really nice combo. No funny smells, no stains. All the buttons look good. None are broken off or worn out. The dash looks to be in good shape. No chunks missing. We'll go take a look at the back seat here too. For a lighter interior, this is very clean and in very good condition. Carpets look good, no stains. It's really dark. I don't know. It's just all the carpeted floor mats are in here. And again, these seats look to be in very good condition. No holes or tears in any of the interior. Take a look at the passenger side. Roof of the car looks good too. I know sometimes there can be dents up there, so just wanted to double check, make sure that that looks good. All right, Robert, if there is anything that I missed or you had questions, just give us a call, 208-263-2138. Thanks for watching.